This week has been a huge week for AI. We had the release of DALL-E 2 publicly, so anyone can use DALL-E 2 on DALL-E 2's website. We had Meta AI's new video AI releasing, which I just made a video about yesterday, and now today we have the announcement by OpenArt, which I've made a video about in the past. I'll link it down below. This is like essentially AI social media. Create, post, comment about all different kinds of AI art, whether it be DALL-E 2, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion. Anyways, the big news here is now you can generate with DALL-E 2 on OpenArt directly. So basically, in the OpenArt website, you can call directly to DALL-E 2's official API. OpenArt has worked with OpenAI to have this happen. So as you can see in the OpenArt site, we have this new create button over here, and we've also got my lemon challenge, which I'll get into a little bit later in the video, but this is extremely exciting. To demonstrate this create feature, all we have to do is click the create button. I have 93 credits, but I believe everyone starts with 30. I know it's a credit system. Hang on, wait. This is different than DALL-E 2's normal credit system because one credit is worth 10 images instead of just 4. So you get 10 variations per credit, so that's over twice what you get normally from the DALL-E 2 website per prompt. So these 93 credits I have, normally in DALL-E 2, that would be worth 372 images, but here in OpenArt, those same 93 credits are worth 930 images. So yeah, you're getting a lot more bang for your buck, so to speak, here. This has just come out, so you can't actually purchase any credits at all. You start out with, I believe, 30, but you can gain more credits. You can copy this specific invite link here, and if your friend signs up with your invite link, you will immediately get 10 credits accredited to your account, and so will the person who signed up, which is just awesome. This is a great deal, and you can invite as many people as you want, but the credits are capped at 200. So if you invite 20 friends, for example, you will have 20 credits, or 2,000 images. But if you use some of those credits, you can invite another person then again and, gain more credits. So if you keep inviting people over time, technically speaking, you could have infinite credits. Anyways, let's give this a little test shot. There's no advanced editor like you get with the outpainting/inpainting in DALL-E 2, but still, this is straight up literally DALL-E 2. It calls directly to the official API. So let's type a prompt for an example in. We'll just do something simple here. 3D render lemon character eating a burger, ray tracing art, and I can just go ahead, click the create button down here. It takes about 10 to 15 seconds or so for your art to be generated, but we do get 10 variations out of this prompt. And as you can see, they have been created. I love the workflow with extra variations per prompt because you just get so much more images to select and choose from. It really makes DALL-E feel that much more advanced. Anyways, we've got a bunch of these funny little lemon characters, definitely all enjoying their delicious burgers. And you'll also notice we don't have the DALL-E typical watermark in here. We can click on any of these to enlarge them and take a look at them at full resolution here. And by the way, this also works with your phone, so if you don't have access to a computer, you can always log in with your phone. And I can pick one of these to publish, but let's say I liked all 10 of these, I can always click this button and download it right onto my computer or phone or whatever. This one I think is pretty funny looking, so I'm going to select this one, and then I just click the publish button, and now it is published to my profile. And you could select each one of these if you wanted to publish all of them, for example. So yeah, this is really exciting that now OpenArt is basically the first to get access to this new feature where OpenAI is now allowing these companies to generate with their API. Anyways, let's get to the new challenges section of OpenArt where, yes, I have my own challenge here. So basically, these are all different challenges where you generate AI art and the top voted image, for example, will be picked and someone will win a reward for generating that top voted images. Anyways, here is my lemon challenge. It says, we all know that MattVidPro AI on YouTube loves lemons. Yes, this is the case. The lemon guy is my mascot after all. Create some cool lemon art to make his day. This is his YouTube video about OpenArt. Yes, I'll link this one down in the description. It's my full review. 3 winners will be selected, 2 with the highest votes. So yes, 2 people that create lemon images in this challenge will win from just straight up other people voting for the highest voted images. And then I will personally select one favorite image of mine that will be separate from the highest voted images. So the highest voted 2 images will not be able to be picked by me. I have to pick one other than that. So there will be 3 winners in total, and all 3 winners will get t-shirts with their art printed on them. So you'll get a t-shirt sent to you in the mail. You'll have your own very art printed on a t-shirt, and 500 credits on OpenArt to generate with, specifically in DALL-E 2, which is so exciting. That adds up to 5,000 DALL-E 2 images. 5,000. Do you want to know how much it is to get 5,000 DALL-E 2 images? That is $125 worth of DALL-E 2 credits. $125. That's straight in your pocket. That's crazy. So yeah, that is a lot of generations, I think, to keep you happy for quite some time. Having lots of fun generating AI art. To participate in the challenge, it's really quite easy. You just click this create button right here. I've already participated myself. Okay, I made a lemon generation. Obviously, I can't win, but yeah, you'll just click on the create button, type your prompt in here, you know, whatever lemon prompt you might want to come up with that you think I would like. Select your images. You can keep regenerating too if you don't get a great image on your first result, and then you just submit it as I showed you guys earlier. And to browse here, we just click this little arrow button on the side, and here we can see a bunch of lemon generations that have happened so far. For example, this one was 3 minutes ago, 7 minutes ago, 12 minutes ago, and so on and so forth. Already a lot of really fantastic generations here. I'm going to have a hard time picking a favorite, I think. There are just so many good ones already. Here's mine right up here. You guys really don't have to vote for mine since obviously I can't win anyways. But yeah, you guys are already doing some amazing stuff. And also, this is really important to note, guys. You can sort by either the latest generations or the top voted generations so far. So these are all the ones that are, I guess, quote-unquote, winning as of right now. And to upvote on one, you just click this little upvote button, and it sort of works like a Reddit button where it has like a little upvote. So yeah, I am extremely excited to see what you guys are going to create with this, and I just love this challenge. I love that it's a really good reward. That's 500 credits for the top 3 viewers who win this challenge. And also the winner that is picked by me, I forgot to mention this, the winner that is picked by me will get a shout out in the announcement video that announces the winners and such. So that might be enticing to some of you as well, a little shout out on the channel. And also it's important to mention that it's not just my lemon challenge here and the other ones. We've got the character design challenge, so you got to create your own metaverse character. The top voted image will get 500 free credits yet again, so it's definitely worth participating in here. Also, this Beautiful Eyes one and the Halloween challenge, and they all do have due dates here, so my deadline is 10/14/2022, so that's 2 weeks. You guys got 2 weeks to create these lemon generations, and yeah, best of luck to everyone. I hope that you guys enjoy this challenge. I think it is going to be a lot of fun. Thank you so much to OpenArt for hosting this challenge for me and handling the credit system and just the whole site essentially, as well as doing the t-shirt portion of this. So yeah, thank you everyone so much for watching. Big news and everything today. It's very exciting. I'm super excited for the challenge. I will see you guys next time. Check out some of my other videos and check out my Discord server. All links will be in the description below. Goodbye.